So the process of financial planning starts with the data collection of the individual and his family. उसमें जो इंडिविजुअल है उसके फैमिली मेंबर्स की डिटेल्स, his own income, family income, even rental income, his assets, immovable property, all insurance policies, all investment, whether in equity, direct equity or mutual fund, everything is gathered. And then a risk profiling of the person is done. मतलब आदमी की रिस्क लेने की कैपेसिटी को इवेल्यूएट किया जाता है. तो एक तो रिस्क एप्टीट्यूड होता है, एक आदमी जन्म से ही दबंग होता है, मतलब ही इज विलिंग टू टेक रिस्क. एंड अदर द रिस्क प्रोफाइलिंग डिपेंड्स, और द एबिलिटी टू टेक रिस्क डिपेंड्स ऑन हिज एज. Suppose a person who is at the beginning of the career is in a better position to take risk as compared to a person who is already retired. Retired person ko he has to preserve his corpus, so he cannot take much risk with his investment. But the person starting his career can take some risk and make investment in little riskier products also. After the data are collected of the individual, all personal financial data are collected, the person is also asked to enumerate his goals, क्योंकि सबके गोल अलग अलग होते हैं और आपकी क्या एज स्टेज पे है उस पर भी आपके गोल डिपेंड करते हैं. जैसे अगर आप कैरियर शुरू कर रहे हैं तो आपको घर लेने का गोल हो सकता है, आपकी खुद की शादी का खर्चा का प्लानिंग कर सकते हैं. लोग उस समय रिटायरमेंट के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं, पर वो रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग भी एक गोल होना चाहिए और हो सकता है. और अगर आप रिटायर हो गए हैं तो आपके पास में फिर एक ही गोल बचा रहता है कि किस तरह से अपना हाउ टू पास द रिटायरमेंट पीसफुली एंड वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट ऑल योर रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस. अब जैसे बोलते हैं इच्छा अनंत होती है, द नीड्स आर अनलिमिटेड, एंड everybody without any exception has got limited resources as compared to his wishes. So the applicant is asked to prioritize his goals. अब for an example, a retirement goal may be a high priority goal as compared to a foreign trip, or for that matter education of your child may be more important than marriage of the children. So based on the resources available, the person is asked to prioritize those goals in the category of high priority, medium priority, and low priority, and on the basis of priority given, the resources are allocated. The initial process of a financial planning also involves review of all his insurance products as well as all his investments, whether in immovable properties or even in financial products. Then after the insurance review and prioritization of goal and net income of applicant is ascertained, an elaborate financial plan is presented to the person, preferably the person and his wife. Both should attend because it is a joint venture. And the most important part comes after the presentation of the plan, that is execution. So execution may probably take 6 months to 1 year period, in which the person is asked to redo some of his insurance and investments. He may probably be asked to sell some of his real estates in case he is heavily invested